We're inside Internationally Free Online, How to Perform Deck Inspections course about electrical clearances. An overhead electric service conductor that's connected to a house should be at least 3 feet, 914 millimeters, horizontally from the deck edge, so it can't be reached. When overhead service conductors are within 3 feet horizontally from the deck edge, they should be at least 10 feet above the walking surface of the deck. We do not want anyone on the deck to touch an electrical overhead wire. Sometimes the inspector will inspect a new house and the service cable will be meeting code on that day by being 12 feet above the rear yard. But when the new deck on that new home is built under that cable and the clearance is reduced to a hazardous inadequate clearance, that may not be anticipated until that structure is inspected once more by a home inspector. And that's a little bit about overhead service conductors and clearances to be safe.